Hey everybody, in this episode we are making the Hitch magnet. It is a very small piece, very simple. You probably don't even need these instructions. So I'm going to make them anyway. Here you go. You're starting in OnShape in your train project folder. You're going to hit create, you're going to hit document. We're going to call this Hitch magnet, and then of course have your initials on there so we know which team member did this. You can also see that this is the first part I'm starting with. Start simple. Okay, hit sketch. I'm going to go right on the front plane here, and I'm going to grab a circle, and I'm going to make that circle 0.45 inches. Okay, zooming in, I'm still on the circle, and I'm going to make this same circle that I just drew slightly smaller, and it's going to be 0.25 inches. I am using a mouse because I can zoom in and out very easily by hitting the roll feature on the mouse. All right, I'm going to switch over to isometric, and I am done drawing it. And now I'm going to extrude just the outside of that donut looking magnet. And I need that extrusion depth to be 0.25, and we are almost done. We're done with all of the drawing part of it, but we need to change the materials. So I'm right clicking over here, and I'm going to assign materials. I need to move this back over here, and I want to make this ABS plastic. So I just type in ABS, and I'm going to click on the very top one, and I'm going to check that box. Now, the reason why we want to make it ABS plastic is because if we ever need to 3D print it, we know exactly what it is. Also, we can easily click on our part here, and we can click on our properties, and it can tell us the mass. It can also tell us the volume of how much plastic we're going to use, the surface area, and all kinds of other things. So we are done with that in just under 2.5 minutes. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, let me know.